Hello, Dr. Gross, Dr. Spoliar, and Debbie. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Debbie on the phone and I told her that I would be sending you guys the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you guys watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which right away I can see that you guys definitely spent some time and or some money into this. The site looks really good, and it also looks like you guys have a decent amount of content on here, which is really important because Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is definitely going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage. I did a word counter search, and you guys currently have 1,396 words, so you're almost there. We do want to make sure the content on your page is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we also want to make sure that content is filled with the appropriate amount of key words that have buyer's intent and bring in a lot of volume. And so over here, I've hopped onto Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is orthodontist in Detroit. I know you guys are pretty close to Detroit, around 20 minutes, and this is a really great keyword. So it brings in around 150 searches per month. If you were able to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar at the top, we may typically see some Google ads. There are no Google ads popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they are done incorrectly, they can definitely be quite a waste of money, but if you do know what you're doing, they can be a great way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is really important, especially now that so many people are searching for things off of their phones. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots and get on the top of the first page, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high powered, relevant backlinks. And so, a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. So, it's pretty much like a shout out. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a popular dentist in your area were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so I just typed in your website into Ahrefs, and right now it's telling me you guys have 543 backlinks from 38 different domains and are ranking organically for 295 keywords. So let's just take a look and see which keywords those are. And so generally we want keywords that have buyer's intent, meaning that someone who's searching it up is looking to purchase something. And we also want location-specific keywords as well. And so you guys are ranking number 1 for the doctor's names, which of course makes sense. But looking through here, it seems like most of the keywords you're ranking for seem to either have the doctor's name in it or the name of the company. So we would definitely want to add in some more generalized keywords that have buyer's intent and a lot of people are looking them up. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I just want to go through the backlinks really quickly. And so right now it's saying that you guys have 589 backlinks. And so that, or 543 backlinks, and that is a decent amount of backlinks, but we really want to beat out your competition with all their backlinks by at least 100%. And so we want to go through and see how many backlinks you have that have a high DR. We don't want to just beat all of your competition out with the quantity of backlinks. We want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so we can go through all of their backlinks the way I'm going through yours and find the ones with a high DR domain rating. And we can take the best ones from their sites and then find some on our own. And like I said, we want to beat them out by at least 100%. And so that is what I have for you for today. To recap what we talked about, number one, we want to make sure that you have good quality educational content with the right keywords. Number two, we want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want to go through and find more high-powered relevant backlinks. So I hope you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.